This journey begins with Bezos, an American entrepreneur who dared to dream big and believed in the power of the internet. He founded Amazon.com, an online platform that has significantly reshaped the landscape of e-commerce. His vision was grand and unconventional, to create an online marketplace that offered an unparalleled selection of products, a place where customers could find anything they desired, all under one virtual roof. This was not just about selling products online, it was about revolutionizing the way people shopped. Bezos didn't just stop at creating a user-friendly platform, he made customer experience his top priority. He understood the value of making shopping convenient and efficient for customers. From the comfort of their homes, customers could browse through a wide array of products, make purchases, and have them delivered right at their doorstep. But Bezos's genius didn't stop there. He recognized the power of technology and innovation early on. He didn't just use technology, he made it an integral part of his business strategy. From pioneering ebooks with Kindle to creating a seamless shopping experience with Alexa, Bezos's innovative approach has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible in e-commerce. Additionally, Amazon strategically acquired companies to enhance its offerings and market presence. From Whole Foods to Twitch, these acquisitions not only expanded Amazon's portfolio but also allowed the company to enter new markets, further solidifying its position as a global e-commerce leader. The success story of Jeff Bezos is a testament to his vision, innovation, and ability to disrupt traditional retail, transforming the way we shop today. His journey serves as an inspiration and a reminder that with a clear vision, a customer-centric approach, and a willingness to innovate and take risks, anything is possible, even turning a simple online bookstore into a global e-commerce giant. Chapter 1. First of all, you need passion. Bezos's journey wasn't always smooth sailing. It involved making difficult choices and taking risks. It's a tale of a man standing at a crossroads, a comfortable life on one side, and on the other, a life filled with the pursuit of his passions, a life where failure was a very real possibility. Imagine Jeff Bezos at the precipice of this decision. The choice wasn't easy. Comfort and ease have their allure, but for Bezos the allure of his passions was stronger. He chose the path less traveled, a path filled with risks and uncertainties, but it was on this path that he found his true calling. Bezos firmly believes in the power of passion. He encourages us all to seize opportunities that come our way, to follow our passions relentlessly, regardless of the risks involved. Because it's in the pursuit of these passions that we find our purpose, our direction. It's where we find our true selves. But the world around us is not a constant. It's a swirling mass of change and inspiration, endlessly generating new ideas, new innovations. As Bezos sees it, there's never been a better time to be alive. The world is ripe with opportunities for those brave enough to seize them. And what about our gifts, our talents? Bezos urges us to use them not for personal gain but to empower others. He encourages us to take pride in our accomplishments, to celebrate our hard work. But he also reminds us that it's our choices that define us, not our gifts. Our gifts are given to us, but our choices, they are made by us. They are a reflection of who we are, of our values, our beliefs. So, let us take a page from Bezos's book. Let's seize opportunities, follow our passions, and make difficult choices. Let's use our gifts to empower others and take pride in our hard work. And above all, let's be proud of our choices. In the words of Bezos, be proud of your hard work and choices rather than your gifts. After all, these choices define who you are. Chapter 2. Do you want to be rich? You need this mentality. Bezos is not just a businessman, he's also an inventor, approaching problems with a beginner's mind. His mindset? A paradox. Bezos believes in being an expert, yet he also values the importance of maintaining a beginner's mind. It's about knowing the ropes, understanding the field, yet having the curiosity and openness of a novice. This way, he sees the world with fresh eyes, unencumbered by the constraints of conventional thinking. And this is where his advice on being stubborn yet flexible comes into play. It's a delicate dance, really. You need to have the tenacity to stick to your guns, yet also the adaptability to pivot when necessary. It's about holding on tight to your vision, yet being willing to adjust the details of your ideas when the situation calls for it. Bezos also warns against the allure of chasing current trends. It's easy to get swept up in the tide of what's popular, of what's making waves in the present. But he suggests a different approach. Imagine yourself at 80, he says. From that vantage point, make decisions that will minimize your regrets. It's about projecting yourself forward, about planning for ultimate satisfaction. And this strategy? It's not just about avoiding regret, it's also about fostering innovation. Because when you're focused on the long term, you're more likely to think outside the box, to venture beyond the beaten path. And that's where true innovation lies. So what does it take to invent? According to Bezos, it's about having a long-term point of view. It's about being able to look beyond the present moment, beyond the current trends. It's about thinking ahead, about planning for satisfaction not just now, but also in the distant future. To invent, one must have a long-term point of view, as Bezos suggests. And maybe, just maybe, this is the secret to becoming not just successful but also truly innovative. To invent, to create, to disrupt, it all starts with the right mindset. Chapter 3: Long-Term Vision and Customer Focus. If there's one thing that Bezos swears by, it's the importance of thinking long-term. Here is a man whose vision has always been geared towards the future, towards growth, and towards customer satisfaction. He's not just thinking about tomorrow or the next quarter. He's looking years, even decades ahead. Bezos's belief in the power of long-term planning is a cornerstone of his success. He understands that the seeds we plant today might not bear fruit immediately, but with time and nurturing they can grow into something truly remarkable. And this isn't just a philosophy he preaches. It's a strategy he's implemented throughout Amazon's journey. The company didn't become a global powerhouse overnight. It started with a simple idea: an online marketplace with an unmatched selection of products, a focus on customer experience, convenient shopping, and efficient delivery. But it was the commitment to this long-term vision, and the willingness to evolve and innovate, that propelled Amazon to heights few could have imagined. And let's not forget about risk. Bezos has never shied away from taking bold leaps into the unknown. He's faced failures and setbacks, but rather than seeing these as roadblocks, he views them as learning opportunities, stepping stones on the path to greater success. Failure and invention are inseparable twins, he once said, an insight that captures his approach to business and life. But his long-term vision isn't just about business success. It's about making a difference, about using his platform to empower others, and about creating a legacy that goes beyond wealth and power. It's about setting an example for future generations, showing them that with passion, vision, and a willingness to take risks, anything is possible. So, as we look towards our own futures, let's take a page from Bezos's book. Let's think long-term, let's take risks, and learn from our failures. And most importantly, let's stay focused on our goals, undeterred by the setbacks and criticism we may face along the way. Remember, as Bezos emphasizes, stay focused on your goals and don't be deterred by setbacks or criticism. Chapter 4: Takeaways. So what can we learn from the success story of Jeff Bezos? From Bezos's journey, we distill a blueprint of success that is as unique as it is universal. It's a testament to the power of vision, the fuel of passion, the agility of an inventor's mindset, and the wisdom in a long-term approach. The vision was not just about creating another online store. It was an audacious dream to revolutionize e-commerce with an unparalleled selection of products and a user-friendly platform that prioritized customer experience. Bezos's vision was the bedrock on which Amazon was built, proving that a clear and compelling vision can indeed change the world. Passion, too, played a key role in Bezos's success. It was his passion that drove him to make the difficult choice of leaving a comfortable life behind to pursue his entrepreneurial dreams. Bezos's story reminds us that passion gives our lives purpose and direction. It's the spark that ignites innovation and fuels the drive to overcome any obstacle. The inventor's mindset, according to Bezos, is a paradoxical blend of expertise and a beginner's approach to problem solving. It's about being stubbornly relentless, and yet flexible enough to pivot when necessary. This mindset enabled Bezos to lead Amazon through countless innovations, redefining the retail industry in the process. Finally, Bezos's long-term approach has been instrumental in Amazon's success. He understood that real growth and innovation take time. He was willing to take risks and face failure, always keeping an eye on the ultimate goal. By focusing on long-term customer satisfaction, Bezos was able to steer Amazon through the choppy waters of e-commerce and emerge as a global leader. Now it's your turn. In the comments, let us know which successful person's journey you'd like to hear about next. Join our community to continue learning from the best.